First, press the enter, go to output, press down, down, down until number 7 output, press enter. You need to configure R2, so it's relay2, press enter. By default, this is a pickup signal, so we need to change it. So you can press enter to change the setting. Password by default is 40, so you just press enter, enter, enter. Password OK, so now we can change. So to configure relay2 as a trip signal, press this one, change it to trip, then press enter again. So after you have pressed this, then relay2 is, you can set whether it will be auto or reset. So in this case, you want to be a latching type, so it's a manual reset, so you need to press the button to reset the tripping. Go down again. This is related to overcurrent, so mean this R2 contact is linked to overcurrent low set, linked to high set and high set. For up fault also yes, and thermal, if you want to enable and disable also depends on your setting. So currently all the R2 has been activated for tripping, for any other tripping, like thermal or overcurrent or up fault is linked to this R2. So after you have set everything okay, then you just press escape.